In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course in GoHighLevel. We'll move from a blank workspace to a ready-to-publish course website using built-in templates so you can focus on your content instead of wrestling with layout. Once you're logged in, start by opening the Sites area. This is your hub for anything web-related in GoHighLevel, including the pages your course will live on. From there, go into Websites. Websites are perfect for multi-page course experiences, giving you room for a landing page, curriculum details, and a checkout or enrollment page. Next, create a new build by selecting New Website. Rather than starting from a blank canvas, choose from Templates. Templates save hours because the structure, headers, sections, calls to action, is already designed with best practices in mind. When prompted, click. Continue to move into the template library. In the search bar, type course. This filters the gallery to layouts built specifically for online education, so you'll see options with hero sections for your promise, syllabus areas, instructor bios, testimonials, and FAQs. Pick one that matches your style and audience, then click Choose Template to add it to your workspace. Now, it's time to make it yours. Open the editor and begin by updating the headline and subhead in the hero area with a clear course promise and who it's for. Swap placeholder images or video thumbnails with your own assets and keep file sizes reasonable so pages load fast. In the curriculum section, rename modules and lessons to reflect your outline and add short benefit-driven descriptions so learners know what they'll achieve. Update the instructor section with a concise bio that highlights credibility and what makes your approach unique. Adjust brand elements, colors, fonts, and button styles to match your visual identity. Keep contrast high for readability and use consistent button text like Enroll Now or Start Learning so visitors know exactly what to do. In the FAQ, replace generic items with the top questions you actually get about level, time commitment, and outcomes. As you go, check the mobile view in the editor to make sure headings wrap well and buttons are easy to tap. When everything looks and reads the way you want, click Publish. Confirm your page title and URL path so the link is easy to share. And remember, then finalize the publish. Your course site is now live and ready for visitors. That's it. Using a purpose-built template, a few targeted edits, and a quick publish, you've created an online course in GoHighLevel.